Let's learn a tiny little bit of history about the word map today. Now, it's short, just 3 little tiny letters, but its content is so big. According to the dictionary, it is a selected representation or symbolic characteristics of a place, usually drawn on a flat surface. But where do we get the word map from? How did this word come to be? To get to the bottom of this, we're going to need to go back, like way back to a time when the Semitic languages were being spoken. More specifically, the Northwest Semitic language. And the Northwest Semitic language was spoken by people such as the ancient Hebrews, the ancient Canaanites, and the ancient Phoenicians. And they had a word, mape, with a long A, and it meant tablecloth. And it's the Phoenicians who take this word with them in 3000 BC when they leave the Fertile Crescent and search for new lands, until settling the mighty Carthage in 550 BC. Now, the Carthaginians are known for their maps and their map-making abilities. And how are they making these maps? They're making them on cloth. And we get the Punic word mepe, and it means cloth. And in 146 BC, Rome, on its quest for world domination, defeats Carthage. And it takes all of its mappas and it Hellenizes the term, and it becomes Mappa Mundi, which means cloth of the world. And then continues on to take over Gaul. And as the Celtic language mixed with Latin, it created a new language called Vulgar Latin. A new term, Mappamundi, and it meant map of the world. Skip forward to 1066 AD when William the Conqueror convinces the now France to join forces and invade England, at which point our word enters the Germanic language and makes its way to the Middle English Mappimundi. And as Middle English progresses into Modern English, we get the word mappy, which is eventually shortened to become map, which is the word we know and love today.